In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Roblox 2025. So this should be a quick and easy process video. The reasons for changing the location on your Roblox varies. So part 1, you can log in into your Roblox account on a web browser. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. After you open settings, just click on the account info tab, scroll down to the location section as you can see here and select your desired country. Part 3, save the changes if you cannot use these procedures or have reached the limit. Your best alternative is to contact Roblox support manually to change the location of your account. Before changing your reason, they may request verification. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.